Hi, this is Ravi from Supreme. As you know, that Supreme provides excellence in services, products and solutions for power, telecom and construction services. However, today Supreme has understood the issue with the end users and plant and utilities and have started providing the services for industrial automation. Now basically the challenges that industry is facing today are many in terms of technical, people and market. When you look at technical issues, plant is concentrating on their core competency. They have to provide the requisite amount of resources for the core competency area, which is producing the product what they are best in. This is happening because of volatile market and margin compression and also the competition in the market. And next is one more challenge which plant is facing is growing avalanche of new technologies and open architectural systems. This is one of the reasons why they are having a confusion. What do I need to select which fits best into my plant requirements and which provides me best solution? And also the legacy systems which is there in the plant. However, some of the legacy systems could be upgraded, but other which is basically an issue, what do I do with them? Basic thing is when you look at the plant, any metal industry, when you go to the furnace operation, melting operation is basically a chemical equation which takes place there. Based on the ore chemistry, the metal is heat balance of the metal is detected and is being melted. However, this control seems to be very simple and straightforward. Put the equation and run the control, but this is predictive in nature. For understanding the entire chemical and the control philosophy, you require somebody who understands the domain and industry. However, next most important thing is basically the energy management issue which companies are facing today. Whether I can really manage my energy consumption. For that, you require a partner who can design, implement, provide the solution and also the services. And Supreme is one who can provide you all these things. Sometime back I spoke about the legacy system upgrade and migration. However, plant requires to have some sort of assurance whether my plant will be running as is when I migrate. What will be the value proposition? Supreme has developed a migration assessment tool which could answer all your questions. This particular tool is a customer centric, wherein you will be entering the data and you will see for yourself what is the losses you are having in your revenue when you go with your legacy system, and what will be the benefit you are going to have when you migrate. This particular system provides you the return on investment, total cost of ownership, and also net present value life cycle benefit. Today all your needs, you go to your engineering procurement contractors and program management contractors, and the automation piece is being passed over by those EPCs and PMCs onto the automation suppliers. What happens with automation suppliers? The suppliers will be giving you a minimum compliance solution which may fit in or may not fit in into your requirement, but you need to live with that. The next question is, how do I change the scenario and why do I change? When you change the scenario, you will be actually going in for much beneficial solutions for your requirement. You need to have a partner who can understand and who does understand about everything of the plant. That means that partner will be actually doing your industrial automation requirement and provide the solution. While you look for those kind of partners, you need to understand that what is the value proposition you are going to get out of those partners. What Supreme does today provides you the value in terms of managing your diverse assets, rapidly obsolescing technologies, system integration in terms of DCS, SCADA, PLC, and also your other systems which are being provided by any of the vendors. Migration from PLC to DCS, or also the DCS to DCS migrations. Managing the safety concerns. You are worried about the life cycle of your automation assets. Supreme can solve that. Supreme knows how to go about it with their domain, product, and also industry knowledge. With vast market experience, Supreme has brought out a standard set of processes which will help you in assessing the requirement. Basically, that assessment will be providing you a guidelines on what you have today and where do you have to move tomorrow. After assessing the requirement, Supreme will provide you the requirement solutions. The solution identification phase is very much important here, because with that solution identification, Supreme will provide you the supplier identification. As I told in the beginning itself, Supreme provides the vendor neutral solutions here. That means we are not biased to any of the vendors. We are biased towards the solution what we are providing to you. And once we identify the supplier, we'll work closely in your team to provide the solution design and also engineering, installation, commissioning, and lifecycle support. Now you may have a question, what is that Supreme has in their stores today? One particular answer which I would like to give here is Supreme understands the entire plant life cycle, starting from feasibility, engineering and design, installation, commissioning, operations, and also maintenance and continuous operations. And this particular life cycle study of Supreme's understanding covers up for 30 years of your plant. And Supreme can also provide the potential hazard and operability study for your plant. The domain skills what Supreme has is basically project consultancy, expertise in industry, plant engineering, quality processes, and also the documentation skills, operator effectiveness, benchmarking of your own process. Benchmarking means attainability of your loops, whether it is flow, temperature, or pressure, or any other loop for that matter of fact. Supreme can do the benchmarking. They can improve on your workflow process. And also the training. Training becomes important part as the people who are there currently in the plant are on the verge of retirement. This is not a regional specific phenomena. However, this is a global phenomena where people are going. However, systems should be in a place to actually capture the knowledge of the people who are going and put it into a system, and Supreme can support you in this. This is a knowledge management automation which is a must in any industry. Supreme will create, based on the solution requirement, a matrix of the suppliers who are pertaining to that area, and then they will select based on the critical to quality and critical to productivity phenomena. Supreme understands the Six Sigma DMAG approach, which is basically define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Supreme works on those phenomena, and Supreme can support you throughout the life cycle of your plant. Thank you very much.